Hello there. I am Nathanael Rutherford,
And I'm Brittany Austin.
and we're here for functional fundamental number 8, practice blameless problem solving. And Brittany, we don't really have a plan for this. We didn't really get to meet up to plan something for this, but
Well,
it's not our fault though.
yeah, you know what, Nathaniel, you're right. We definitely didn't, and it is not our fault. Do you know whose fault it is, though?
Whose?
It's Michael Wayman's fault.
Michael Wayman. It's always his
Yep.
fault.
It is always his fault. We had this plan. We had scheduled time to go through what we were going to talk about, and it was going to be really funny and really planned out, like really thought through. And then Michael screwed it all up. It's all his fault.
Yep, we were going to have everything down to every single word, punctuation, everything, what we're going to say.
Yep.
And you know what? The other day, I was on a call, in a meeting, a pretty important meeting, and he just calls me up, interrupts my call, and it embarrassed me in front of everyone there because I had to step away and take it. And I said, I'm so sorry, but, also Michael's fault.
Typical Michael Wayman.
And that is how you don't practice this functional fundamental. Instead, what you should do is, if it is your fault, something happens and goes wrong, it's okay. Just own up to it. It'll be fine. And even if it isn't your fault, it is someone else's, don't point the finger. Just try to figure out how to best solve the problem, whether it's working with that person for someone else or figure out a good plan. But pointing fingers is never going to get us anywhere.
And if it is Michael Wayman's fault, maybe don't throw him under the bus and go ahead and just take one for the team and figure out how to solve it.
Well, thank you, Brittany. Thank you for everyone watching along here. We'll have another fundamental video for you next week.